Here I have Nokia 9 PureView, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly, you should open Contacts application, then tap here, go to its settings, and then select import. Then select SIM card. In this case, in our case, we're gonna transfer contacts from SIM card to internal storage of our device. So here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, then tap on this tick icon to confirm it, and now you will have these contacts here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.